Miss Mary, holy dog, me a come. Come in here, the dog tie up round her back. Come, he not bite you. He tie up round her back. Welcome to Jamaican culture with Shar. I will be doing a little, today I'll be doing a little Jamaican expression definition of words and phrases. Run go. Run go. Talking about head towards. Example. Where you there, run go? Where are you heading to? Towards. Carry belly. Me want to know where my carry belly for me final. You're harboring negative feelings for someone. Yeah. Some people say you have me up. Jamaicans say I carry belly for them. You have me up. From when that is sitting in Ghana, you still have me up. Yeah. As it says, some negative things, still holding things against that person, although it's a long time. So Jamaicans say, yeah, care belly for them. Load up the team. Load up the team. To expose someone dirty or bad business. Example, my youth. We don't load up the team. You could say English. Dude, why do you want to expose whatever? Or some people think load up the team, they're talking about load up the music. But it's also, Jamaican use it in the term of, exposing someone. Exposing something bad, maybe you have some claim secret, so you expose them. Beat up the team. Beat up the team. To set up someone for a downfall or disappointment or embarrassment. Beat up the team. Example, beat up the team. You're causing problem for someone. You're beating up the person. I know you do it, but you saying is him do it so that the person can attack him when it's not him do it. So yeah, set him up. Yeah, set up the person. Jamaicans, they say beat up, especially the young one. They say beat up. Yeah, beat me up. Take me a beat. Yeah, come beat me up. Big head them. They're not talking about the size of one's head. They're talking about people who are in higher position. Yeah. So Jamaicans say big head. The bigger head them. The bigger head them. They're talking about, as I said, we not gonna talk to the bigger head. We gotta talk to him for talk to the bigger head. They're talking to somebody, people who are in higher position. Yeah. People who command. Yeah, bigger position. It's a higher head. Then you have Sitya. Here it is. Me find, Sitya. And you say, I found it. See it here. Ramping. Me not ramping, They're talking about playing. Yeah. Stop your ramping, man. Stop the play. Me general could be somebody of, some respect. They respect that person. Me general, what you want? English. What, my general? What do you want? They're talking about somebody who they have a certain kind of respect for. We have some general, yeah, Jamaican. That's what them talk. Shiny. They're talking about, don't hear it upon the head. So Jamaicans say shiny. He said a shiny boy, he had shine because he don't no hear upon it. He say ball it. Yeah? Shiny. Talking about ball it. No respect. Same thing you have respect, utmost respect for someone. Respect, my brethren. Jamaica talk. Respect. Him respect you. You need to listen. Respect. Him respect you. Yeah, him have enough respect for you. Until then, that was a little tips. Until then, we'll give you more. Yes. Hey, love up the thing, you know. Share. Yeah, man, share it. Subscribe. All of that too. No one will like up the thing, you know. No one will like up the thing. Until then, thanks for watching.